So today we learn about new command in Catia, that is our pocket command. So let's start with the software. Go to start, click on mechanical design and then click on part design. Click OK, open a new window. Now select the plane on which we want to make a drawing. Select the YZ plane, click the sketch, and we are in now sketch mode. Now let us draw a object or entity on which we apply our pocket command. Let's try to make some E section here. Now exit the sketch, click on the pad command and pad this element as 50 mm. Give the dimension, preview and then click OK. Now as we can see here, our element is made. Now select the center plane, click on the sketch and draw a circle here. Let the circle having certain dimension, let us say this should be 20 millimeters. The center of the circle having distance from the region as, let us say, 70, and the distance of this center from the vertical edge is also can give, that is 25. Now this circle is basically center between these two edges. Exit the sketch. Now select the pocket command here, and as we can see here, the pocket command is applied on the sketch we already made. As you can see here, now we can see that the pocket command is basically have various types of categories. First one is dimension. We can define the pocket command with the help of dimension, giving the dimension as required. Let us say we should give it 60, and then when we click preview, the pocket is made on the element on which our cross section is defined. So if we can reverse this direction, the pocket is made on the opposite hand side of the section. Let's make preview and we can easily see that pocket is defined here. Similarly, when we click on the up to next surface, up to next means that your pocket is applied only to the surface which is adjacent to the sketch, which is the first surface, that is this is the first surface which is adjacent to the sketch, and the pocket is applied to only this surface, and we can see it is through all from this bar. So this is your up to next option. You can reverse the direction, preview it again, the up to next part is applied. Now next we have up to last. Now up to last defines that the surface which is last from the cross section or the element which we built. Now in this case, pocket command is applied. When we preview it, as we see here, the pocket is applied to both the bars and it is the up to the last of this element. You can reverse the direction, preview it. Similarly, in this way, we can see the pocket command is applied to the opposite direction to the last surface. Similarly, we can define up to plane. Now select the plane up to which you want pocket. Now let us say I just select this plane, and this is our cross section, which is used to apply the pocket command in these two bars. Let us say preview here, and when we preview it, and we can see that pocket command is applied up to this surface only. So if this surface is not no material is removed from the surface, but from this bar the material is removed. Then up to plane, and then up to surface, you can define the surface. You can reverse the direction of the pocket, preview it. Now up to surface here, we can define that up to which surface you want pocket. You can select this surface, or reverse the direction. You can select this surface and this surface, or the last surface. So this is how your pocket command is applied, and in this case the material is removed from the pocket. Now this is basically the first limit of the pocket. You can define the second limit of pocket also. Now if you want pocket up to first limit up to surface, and if you want your pocket second limit up to, in case of dimension, let us say this should be 50. Now you can see here the element is, this element is also uh, cut by the cross section, but up to certain distance. Let us say this should be 60 here. Click preview, and as we can see here that in both the direction pocket is applied, depending upon the limits of the uh, entity. So you can easily define the pocket command with the help of these two limits. Fine. And similarly, in case of second limit, we have various categories like up to, next, last, plane, and surface. Basically these are similar to the first limit, so you can define any of these two values and you can remove the material from the with the help of pocket command. And it's basically used to produce holes, cut sections like slots or something like that. So pocket command is basically used to remove the material, whereas pad command is used to make the material, or we can say make the drawing 2D into 3D. So basically it adds up the material, and pocket command is basically used to cut or remove the material. So this is your pocket command. We can say the basics of pocket command, in which we can use different cross sections, different elements to cut the various elements in various bars or some other drawings or some other 3D drawings. So this is the pocket command which we do here, and we can discuss about more of shaft and groove command in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.